it's me again. Don't forget to like, subscribe, to all that stuff. Let's click buttons, and hope you enjoy the channel. I have a lot of videos, do all kinds of things. They're not the greatest videos, but this is the weekly what's new and what's new. Been a slow summer for making videos. I've had a lot of house stuff to work on. I finally got camping season's over in a couple of weeks. I'll probably be doing more videos on the weekends, probably Friday and Saturday nights. And I'm probably going to devote one day a week to coming here because I have a lot of work I got to get done. And I don't have to do it. I could sell this off and just relax on a beach somewhere. Might be a beach I make in my bathroom, but yeah, I might go to that what do you call it? Might go on vacation in the living room. But anyway, besides that, I got a few. I have to get some of this stuff done. I want to get it done. It's my own little hobbies, and so waiting for the powder coat guy. I got to call him up. Be like, where the hell's my shit? Because I told him take your time, but I didn't think it would take him a month and a half. But even then, I'm not worried. It's not a big deal. I got a bunch of stuff. I'm just waiting for stuff to come back. I picked up a piece of sheet metal. Channel still going. I'm still doing Monday, a weekly what's new. And I'm thinking in between videos, I'm probably going to try to make I watch a few other channels online. I can never remember his name. He's a really good channel. He does all kinds of work, and I think he's a machinist. Has his own garage. I forget what it is. He has a channel. He works on all kinds of cars and machinist projects in his garage, and I'm not sure where it is. I can't remember his name. But anyway, so I like the channel, and he does one video every Saturday. So I'm going to try to do some stuff on my channel and just compound it all into one. And it's just easier than making 15 videos. I like making all the videos. It's fun. I know I don't make the greatest videos in the world. I'm not a super channel. I don't have all these million things. I make zero money. My watch time just like going down the drain because I haven't made any long form videos. So I'm going to try to make a couple of long form videos. And if I still have enough, I don't want to make it too long. People get bored and stop watching it. I'm just going to mishmash it all in one big thing like he does. And I'll probably do some crazy tool videos in the meantime, and I'll put the smaller ones during the week, but I'll try to mishmash it, just to change it up, something different. Plus, it's easier for me. I can do a bunch of things that I'm doing, record it, put it all together, get it done. In the coming weeks, I have a budget, what do you call it, video coming out with my lawnmower deck that I welded tomorrow. But at the time of filming this tomorrow on a Saturday, I'll have a short video of me welding my sandblaster. I got a little bit more. I got to make a little piece of panel for it and weld that together so I can make a video and get it going. Start sandblasting parts. I don't have to pay anybody to do it. Just small parts. The shop will eventually. Where there's a little dilemma in my shop, family thing going on. So I might put most of my shop in storage because there's whatever, I don't know. Or I'm definitely moving it somewhere. It's definitely gonna move at some point. They want to make a house out of this place, and the concrete's only this thick, and there's some cracks in the floor. If I remember correctly, there's a few cracks. I honestly don't think I'd put a house on this thing. It's great for a garage, but if I remember correctly, there's a crack in this middle of this floor. And I don't think it's thick enough because we've looked at some slabs and they're at least 6-8 inches. Put a house on it. This one, you look on the outside, it's 3 to 4 inches thick, and it's not a consistent 4 inches either, or 3 inches. It's kind of like whatever. So with that said, the channel is going to move to a new garage eventually. So I'm probably going to have to save my money again or see what happens. In the spring, probably put a slab built. I told him just all I want is 3 walls on the roof, and I'll start over again. And I'm going to strip this place clean and start over. So it'll only be the 3rd shop I've had. So with that, but I'm still doing what I do. It's my channel is just me doing stuff. I started it thanks to Arco at Outlaw Edge Customs. Go to his channel. It's listed I listed it on my channel page. I don't know. We just got talking. I was on Instagram sharing pictures of tools, and I just started a YouTube channel. Apparently, I've been on here for 5 years. I think. Yeah, I think I signed up 5 years ago, but I've been on 5 years. It's only 3 years of officially being a YouTuber. I'm not a million jillion YouTuber. If you've joined my channel and you're one of the people that subscribe and watch us, thank you. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Well, And I'll try to, and if there's any content you want to see, like if you want to see anything in my shop or anything you think I should do or finish, let me know, because I kind of bounce around and do stuff. And I don't know, it's just me doing stuff. And I know a lot of people out there have messy garages, and some people have very nice garages and are nice and pristine. It's my place. You don't like it? Nah, whatever. Each your own. I'm having fun. I'm enjoying life. It keeps me sane, and it just sucks I haven't been here in a while because working on a house, kids go to school, they get up at 6, get up 6 in the morning, I'm dead tired, and try to get, I'm a night owl, so if I come in here at 10 o'clock, I'm going to be here till 2 in the morning, I got to get up at 6. Doesn't really go well. So, plus getting up at 6, putting them on the bus by 8 o'clock, then taking a 2-hour nap just doesn't. So I'm going to try to make some videos Monday after they go to school, get the whole day to myself if I'm not working my store. Tuesdays and Wednesdays, I'm over the border doing stuff. I'm working on the house, working on the house on weekends. We're almost done where I can okay, whatever. So with that said, thanks for watching, and toodles.